Hey, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be cleaning and decorating for Christmas. There will definitely be a part 2 to this video, so stay tuned and I hope you all enjoy the video.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, he ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, he missed out on love and that's for sure. Oh, he ain't ringing my bells no more. That's for sure. I don't know what he wants now, and I don't know why he said all the things he said to me. It means nothing to me now, 'cause there will be someone who would not complain to drive all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. You're not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what you want now, but I don't care. Oh, you ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, you missed out on love, and that's for sure. For sure. You ain't ringing my bells, no. You ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
Hey, I hope you all are enjoying the video. I just want to pop in here and show you these beautiful roses that were sent to me from Rose Forever. This is not a sponsored video. I am not getting paid. Rose Forever sent these roses to me to share with you. So thank you so much for sending them to me. They are absolutely beautiful. The roses come in a black French box and they are preserved and will last for up to a year. And what makes them so great is that they don't you don't have to water them and they don't need sunlight. I chose the large red roses and there are 36 roses in this box, but of course they come in different sizes and they have so many colors to choose from. And Rose Forever also gave me a coupon code, which is Chelley.20, and I will be sure to put all that information down below in the description box just in case any of you are interested.
In the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, holiday. Can't wait make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Just wanna have a holiday. Yeah, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. Try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us all come together. Let your love keep shining and for always be remembered. Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas time and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Yes, I did, 'cause you left something for me.
If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to leave heart emojis down below in the comments and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
'Cause it's Christmas.